Fort Bend County Judge K.P. George could face up to 10 years in prison if convicted of money laundering. The first full day of testimony in his trial is now coming to a close. Jason Miles, live at the courthouse in Richmond with the very latest on this. Jason.
Hey there, Ron. You know, K.P. George will be leaving office as the county's chief executive at the end of the year anyway, because he recently lost a primary election. And you know, his second term has really been marred by allegations, including the ones at the center of this trial. Fort Bend County Judge K.P. George had a smile on his face as the first full day of testimony began in his money laundering trial.
This case is about $46,500 in campaign donations that the defendant stole and the lies he told to hide it.
Prosecutors say George falsely reported what was in his campaign fund after the 2018 election and failed to disclose what was actually in it, allegedly spending the difference on things like down payments for new houses.
Ask yourselves, do people who take money they're allowed to have conceal it and then doctor records to disguise it?
George's defense team laid out the immigrant's ascent to American political office following humble beginnings in India, adding that George routinely loaned his campaign's money before paying himself back, and further asserting that the entire prosecution is based on a political vendetta rather than the rule of law.
And they go all the way back to 2018, and they find one record from October of 2018 to December 31st of 2018. And they say, gotcha, we found what we wanted.
If convicted, George faces up to 10 years in prison and thousands of dollars in fines, though we're told probation is also a possibility. He told us earlier in the week that he believes he will be vindicated. And I should mention, we're only allowed to record portions of this trial, opening and closing statements, as well as the eventual verdict. The witness taking up most of the day on the stand today was a district attorney, fraud examiner or investigator who talked about a lot of the stuff that led up to this alleged wrongdoing. Reporting live from Richmond, Jason Miles, KHOU 11 News.